Hi friends, I present to you a new recipe for chicken rolls in bacon. An easy to prepare dish looks delicious and beautiful. This dish is suitable not only for everyday life, but also for meeting guests. The filling can be any, as long as your imagination is enough. Peel the chicken fillet from the veins and cut lengthwise to get 2 pieces of the same thickness. Now cover the fillet with cling film so that the pieces do not fly off and the meat does not stick while we beat it off. The pieces should be the same thickness. Season the chops with salt and pepper on both sides. Cut the cheese into small cubes. We spread the cheese on the finished fillet and wrap it in a roll. If a slice of cheese does not allow it to be rolled into a roll, then you can simply cover it with half the fillet. The main thing is that the cheese is inside the meat. Now wrap the stuffed fillet with bacon so that the edges of the chop are covered with bacon. This is to ensure that the cheese is sealed in the chop and does not leak out. Put on a baking sheet greased with vegetable oil. We bake in an oven preheated to 180 degrees for 30 minutes. But the preparation can be made in advance and placed in the refrigerator. Any garnish will do. Bon appetit! Don't forget to put your thumb up and subscribe to the channel. See you.